Hello. We are just getting on here for just a second. We're processing all of these new wigs here in store. I'll be adding about 30 more wigs to our R2S section this weekend. But yeah, we wanted to show you kind of what we have in store, guys. I have about 32 clip-in bundles coming up on the website next week. Is there anything in particular you guys want to see when I'm on here? Here's some of our braided wigs. Hi. We have a lot of new wigs in stock. We're washing and processing everything. We definitely have braided wigs. Here's our braided wigs here. And there's this one as well. All of these wigs are on our website, magichaircompany.com. We do have a few jet black wigs coming up this week. This one's body wave. We just need to wash it out and then it will be available. We have some silky straight jet black. We have body wave jet black. You know we can do the custom color for you. You know we will style for you. We'll cut bangs. We will cut layers. We will add a curl. Let us know how we can help you here at Magic Hair Company. And then we have some longer wigs over here. So yeah, we're here. Our current hours are Wednesday through Saturday, 11 to 6 p.m. Check out our website, magichaircompany.com. Right now, we do prefer that you have an appointment or just call us and let us know you're on the way. Wednesday through Saturday, 11 to 6. All right, guys, I will see you later.